As I'm recording this video, we can see the price of Bitcoin is plummeting now to the downside right now, a little below 22,000. So in today's video, I want to be talking about what does that mean for the Bitcoin price. Is this a pullback? Are we going to see more upwards momentum from the price right now? Or should we be worried right now and we should be preparing for more downside action? So the current move to the downside shouldn't come to you as a surprise, as we've been already covering and discussing it in previous videos based off the weekly time frame. Once we had the big breakout here above the weekly trend line, that was a very bullish momentum. As you can see, we went for a very nice rally into the upside. But then if we look at the daily chart for Bitcoin using Ghost Vision, the Ghost Vision indicator, and we are looking at Ghost Vision 1, what we can see here and what I was talking about in my previous video, you can go back and watch it. In the previous video, we've been talking about the overextended price action we are seeing right here in the last two layers of the bullish channel. What does that mean? Well, as you can see, for this whole period, once we broke out January 8th, from this whole period that we had right here, from January 8th, almost 1 month of straight upward action, 40% to the upside, okay? That means that at some point we are going to see a sharp decline, exactly what we are seeing right now. And I was telling you guys and warning you, be prepared because we are going to see a sharp decline. Argue and say that indicators are lagging and they don't really show you what's going to happen. What can you see right here using Ghost Vision 2? You see the red dot right here on the daily chart. What else we see? Right, so we are looking for multiple confirmations. Multiple confirmation make our thoughts just as stronger. So what I want to show you here, guys, red dot on Ghost Vision 2 means change of direction, right? You can see the red dot right here. And you can find the legend and the full tutorial on the indicator on our website, ghostvisiontrading.com. Make sure to check out the website, go into the link in the description, check the website and check how the indicator works. But I will explain it to you shortly right here. Once we have the red dot, that means change in direction. At the same time, we are looking at the yellow waves. When they are trading above the zero line, that means that we are trading in the bullish region. But once the yellow wave is crossing to the bearish side below zero, that means we are turning bearish. Now, it's very important that you look at the daily time frame to understand the picture, where the price is headed. So if you are making trades on the 5 minute, the daily doesn't really bother you. But if you want to know the general trend, the direction of the price, you go to the daily. And what we see on the daily time frame, the yellow wave curving to the bearish side. We see the red dot. Now we've seen those indications before the price took the big plummet to the downside. So if you saw them, you would already be prepared and you would already exit any high leverage long position that you had open right here when the candle closed at 22,800. Yeah, we had a little push to the upside. But for the most part, if you see a trend change on the daily towards the bearish side, and it's confirmed right here, right here. Also the strength line here is pointing down. That's it, guys. You cannot fight those indications. You cannot fight those indications. But what does that mean now? What does that mean now? Because as you can see right now, because this move to the downside just happened, it's causing a big chain of liquidations, and that keeps pushing the price more down and down and down. And this is why we are seeing this sharp decline now. Now, if you've been following Bitcoin for a very long time like I have, this shouldn't come to you as a surprise. So let's go back and let's see what sort of indications are common to see with Bitcoin when we start seeing a bullish market, right? So right here, we are looking at December 2020. Guys, we have a big rally. As you can see, we have a big rally to the upside, touch to the daily trend line, rally to the upside, touch to the trend line. Now right here we are trading and we are even closing candles, daily candles below the daily trend line. That is done specifically by the whales to kick out little fish, little weak hands, shake them out from the market, shake them out right here, and then push the price higher. And in my opinion, this is what we are seeing right now. We are seeing this nasty shake off of weak hands, high leverage players, people who are just doing it all wrong. They are gonna get shaked out right now. And at some point, once we consolidate, maybe another week, maybe another 2 weeks, we see this nice push to the upside. Now let's see at what point this dump can potentially finish. So we can see that we've had some previous price action at the level of 21,200. Let me draw a horizontal line. So you see it has been acting as resistance right here. Once we broke the resistance, right, we came to verify it, and potentially we are going to come here and verify this 21,200 level mark once again before we see any continuation to the upside. So yeah, like I already told you guys, if you want to be prepared and you want to see those moves coming, make sure to visit the website, learn how the indicator works so that you can be prepared next time any move like this happens to the downside. You will be prepared and you will exit all of your positions before it happens. And then once we start seeing bullish indications, we'll rejoin at a cheaper price. That's how it's done, guys. So make sure visit the website ghostvisiontrading.com and also join our Discord group. Link for that will be in the description of the video. A change in the market structure will always cause this nasty pullback. The only thing that you can do is be prepared for it. There's nothing we can do, guys. We can only see indications in the charts, be prepared, not take any high leverage positions when we don't have a good setup. So 21,000, very important level for Bitcoin. If we break below it, lights out. It's lights out. It's Bitcoin going to sleep until the next halving, 2024. So 2023 will be very boring if we start seeing closes, daily candle closes in this region. In my opinion, it's lights out for Bitcoin. However, if this is the beginning of a bullish uptrend, we have to see the bounce. We have to see the bounce from 21,000. If we don't see the bounce, it's lights out. I'm completely out of all of my positions and I'm going to rebuy cheaper right here at these levels, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not gonna be holding and losing money all the way down here. If I'm gonna see more bearish indications and we fail to get a bounce here, I'm out. And I will let you guys know that I'm out so that you can be also on the correct side of the game. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a like, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.